Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. The Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner versus the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner. These two robotic vacuums are packed with features and promise to make your cleaning tasks a breeze. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, so let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. Let's start with the price. The Lefant M210 Pro is priced at $209, while the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner comes in at $199. Both are competitively priced, but if you're on a budget, the ROPVACNIC might be the better choice for you. When it comes to cleaning technology, both robots offer impressive features. The Lefant M210 Pro boasts upgraded FreeMove Technology 3.0, which uses infrared sensors to detect obstacles and avoid falls or getting stuck. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner comes with a powerful 3000 pascals cyclone cleaning system, providing enhanced suction power for efficient cleaning on various surfaces. Now let's talk about smart features. The Lefant M210 Pro can be controlled via the Lefant app, Alexa, or Google Assistant. You can choose from multiple cleaning modes, schedule cleanings, and even view real-time cleaning maps. The ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner also offers app control, voice commands with Alexa or Google Assistant, and 6 cleaning modes to meet your specific needs. If you have furry friends at home, you'll want a vacuum that can handle pet hair. The Lefant M210 Pro comes with powerful 2200 pascals suction, 2 side brushes for concentrated cleaning, and a brushless suction mouth designed for pet families. Meanwhile, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner features a no-entanglement design to prevent tangled pet hair and a 3-point cleaning system for efficient pet hair collection. When it comes to navigation and recharging, both robots excel. The Lefant M210 Pro has improved auto-recharging efficiency, ensuring it finds its way back to the charging station when cleaning is finished or the power is low. It also runs for up to 120 minutes on a single charge. The ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner effortlessly accesses hard-to-reach places with its low height of 2.99 inches and returns to the charging station automatically after cleaning. After comparing the Lefant M210 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner and the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner, it's clear that both offer great features and functionality. Ultimately, the choice between the two will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you prioritize advanced features and app control, the Lefant M210 Pro might be the right choice for you. However, if you're looking for strong suction power and a budget-friendly option, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner is worth considering. That's it for today's comparison. We hope this video helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. See you next time on Buy Smart.